Hey crew, what's going on? I'm back with another video. This is for the chili series, and we're gonna do some homemade chili fries. We have potatoes that I cut up here, and I soaked them for 30 minutes. Then I completely dried them off, and I have the deep fryer here warming up to 320 degrees. We're gonna do a two-step process to ensure that the outside is crispy but the inside just melt in your mouth. So we're gonna fry at 320 for the first process. Then we're gonna pull them up, we're gonna let them completely dry, then we're gonna fry them again at 350 degrees. And y'all stick around for the rest of this video. Okay crew, our grease is at 320 degrees. I'm gonna simply put the fries in here. And don't forget to completely dry these off, or you can set them in the refrigerator and let them dry off. And the soaking method I did was just a quick soaking process. You can allow these to soak overnight, 2 to 3 hours, however you want to do it. Then put them in the refrigerator to allow them to dry in the refrigerator. So we're just gonna drop these. So how everyone is doing? Let us know in the comment section how you doing, what you've been up to, have you did any shopping for the holidays, what are your plans for the holidays, you know, just to catch up with everyone that, you know, watch the videos and support the family and support all 3 channels, you know, because we love hearing from y'all. We love hearing what y'all have planned. No, it's all about family and enjoying, you know, moments that you can share. Whether if you're here, if you're not here with us, you're still family. And it's through YouTube. However you watch us, whether it's on the phone, television, we family no matter what. Hopefully one day we can do a meet and greet and we all can just link up and have a good time, have good laughter. You can meet the family, meet the crew, eat good food, and just have a good time. You know, that's what life is about. You know, with the times that we're in now, where everything seems complicated, hard, you know, sickness and, you know, losing people left and right. We all need that laughter in our life. We all need people that we can share those moments with, have those good times with, that just keep your mind away from the negativity and all the crazy stuff that's going on in the world at this moment. So everyone just stay positive, stay focused, you know, keep your eyes on the prize. And the prize is to live life to the fullest and have life abundantly. And living life with no regrets. So I'm gonna allow this to fry, and I will give y'all a time limit on how long I allow them to fry, and I'll bring it. Okay crew, we back. And if you can see that they starting to float up and they starting to turn brown a little bit, so I let them cook for 8 minutes. We're gonna pull them up and we're gonna crank our temperature up to 350 degrees, and we're gonna let it come up to 350 degrees, and we're gonna drop them again. We're gonna shake off some of the excessive oil. And when the grease get ready, I'll bring you guys back. It took around 3 minutes for our oil to come up to the temp of 350. So we're gonna drop these back in, and we're gonna cook them until they golden and brown. And when that process gets done, I'll bring you guys back. Okay. What it look like. I don't know if you can hear that, but they crispy. And while they hot, you want to season your fries. So we're gonna go in with some salt, black pepper, and you can season your fries however you want to, whatever flavors you like. I'm gonna use some garlic and herb, no salt seasoning. And give it a little shake up. I want to try to get out the boat. So I'm gonna give y'all a close up of one of these. We're gonna break the inside. Look at that. And I'm about to show y'all the rest of this video, what I'm about to do with these. Okay, let's make a plate. We have the fries here that we cooked. We're gonna make a small plate. We're not gonna make a lot. So I have the chili here that I prepared, and if you want to see how I prepared this, I have a video posted up, and I also will put the link in the description box. So we're just gonna drizzle the chili over the fries. We're making some simple chili cheese fries. We're not gonna do nothing over the top or go the extra mile. We're just gonna keep it simple. And this chili already got the onions and bell peppers and all that stuff, so you don't have to add all the extra stuff. And we're not gonna garnish it with nothing. We're just gonna keep it simple. So we're just gonna top it with some cheese, and then I'm gonna give y'all a close up. Okay, crew, so here are the chili cheese fries. And if you like what you see, please thumbs up the video. Also comment in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Click the bell and set post notifications to all. And we'll see y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.